Imagine waking up every day with total clarity. You don't waste energy deciding what matters because you already know. Gary Keller calls this the success habit, asking the one question until focus becomes automatic. The success habit is simple. Every day, ask yourself, what's the one thing I can do today such that by doing it, everything else becomes easier or unnecessary? Then do it. One focused action leads to another. Success builds on success, like dominoes falling in line. That's why habits are stronger than willpower. At first, focus feels hard, but repeat the question long enough and your brain starts to think that way automatically. You don't chase focus anymore, you live it. Every habit you build creates a feedback loop. It starts with a question. That question pushes you to take action. Action creates results. Results build confidence. And confidence makes you take even more action. That's how an ordinary person becomes unstoppable. Motivation fades, willpower drains, but systems stay. Your habit is your system. It turns discipline into effortless success. The success habit works everywhere. Ask it for your work, your health, your relationships, whatever matters most. Ask, act, repeat. You don't need to do everything right, you just need to do the right thing, consistently. That's what makes ordinary people extraordinary. Ask the question, do your one thing, repeat it until it becomes your way of life. That's the success habit. Subscribe for more focus, clarity, and purpose.